Heroes don't wear capes, nor have muscles, or even superpowers, but still rock. Heroes come in families: father, mother, sister, brother, firefighters, brave soldiers, or simply caring for one another. Putting a roof over our heads, combing our hair, feeding us, some of the time annoying us, and often just spending time with us. They save the day in simple ways by just being kind. Unbrave mother was widow wasp almost 90 years ago. The law said she had to pay her tithe, but she didn't have it and she said no. The bailiff said, if you don't have money, the police are coming for your crops. My sons and I are in the fields, but the crops aren't ready, said widow wasp. She refused to give up her hard work, so police were sent to look and lurk. But with not a single crop in sight, they decided to stay and camp for a night. But instead of staying for a night, they stayed for days and days. And this is what poor Mrs. Wasp says: why should I have to pay my taxes? Why should I have to give the crops? I can't even buy my children lollipops. Why should I do about the cops? The police camped out for almost 2 weeks as news went far and wide, and everyone took Widow Wasp's side. Extra! Extra! Read all about it! A brave old lady makes a stand. Widow ignores the government's demand, and now has bailiffs on her land. So what could the collectors do? They couldn't camp out there forever, and so gave up on their endeavour. We were waiting for the harvest, but the harvest never came. We're not used to not getting our way, but we are not the ones to blame. Widow Wasp stood up for what was right. She was not afraid to fight. It all depends on Mother Nature. Goodbye, sirs, and see you later. Heroes don't wear capes, nor have muscles, or even superpowers, but still rock. Heroes come in families: father, mother, sister, brother, firefighters, brave soldiers, or simply caring for one another. Putting a roof over our heads, combing our hair, feeding us, some of the time annoying us, and often just spending time with us. They save the day in simple ways by just being kind. Be confident, not selfish. Be brave, not boastful. Be positive, not negative. And just remember, we can all be